So in this problem, I know that if x is 1, if x is 1, 13 to the 1 is 13. If x is 2, 13 squared is 169, in case you didn't know that. And so I know it's going to be somewhere between 1 and 2, but for you guys to guess the exact decimal that we're dealing with, it's going to be difficult, okay? That would be a lot of guess and checks and, getting it close. So the variable is in the exponent. Everybody see that?
Yep.
That's when you have to use logarithms. You can take down notes. So here we've got log. Who's the base? Log base
13.
Log base 13 of 74.6 equals x. Your calculator do all the heavy lifting. Go ahead. And I want you to round it to 3 decimal places. Okay, so the answer is 1.681. Okay? So in number 7, we also have the variable in the exponent. We still do the same thing. Log base 7 of 3 equals 1.1 minus 8n. So we put this in our calculators, and then we leave the n alone. We turn that into a decimal to 3 decimal places, and then we just methodically leave the n alone. So tell me what you get. Okay, on this one, the object is to get the guy that has the exponent alone, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, you have to get rid of the -4, and you have to get rid of the 6.5. Which one do you get rid of first?
6.5.
6.5. So now we have -4 times 14 to the 5k plus 7 equals negative 80 what?
80.5. But that's after you do
You plus the 4 divide by 4.
You divide by -4 on both sides, and now you have 14 to the 5k plus 7 equals what? 5?
Negative 21.
No, positive.
Oh yeah, positive.
All right. So now we put it in logarithmic form, and we have log base 14 of 21.125. Do not round any of these numbers until the very end. Just leave them in its form. Equals 5k plus 7. So you're going to turn this into a decimal. You're going to subtract 7 and hit enter, and then you're going to divide by 5 and hit enter. And what do you get? If you go to 4 places, it would be negative 1.1688. So what I would do is not round anything until the very end, okay? Because you get a better answer scientifically. If you start rounding at the beginning and you're trying to get food to the International Space Station, they're going to watch it float on by, and they're going to get hungry real quick, okay?